Hello guys, it's Unders here for warriorsound.co.uk, and we're going through all the different plugins inside Nectar 3 plugin because, well, it's really got a whole suite of vocal plugins nestled within inside itself, and they all deserve a little bit of a look in. So what we're going to do today is look at the DeEsser and just how we can set that up. Now, unlike the EQ, it hasn't got a whole bunch of super fancy features built in, but it is an incredibly good de-esser. So we're going to solo out our main vocal here, and we've enabled the de-esser just by adding it in, and we're going to activate listen just here, and that's going to let us really track into the area where we've got the most prominent S sounds that we want to de-ess. So we had to bring it down to about 2K there and dip the threshold by about, minus 8.8. If we brought it down too far, it was starting to catch some of the plosives and things like that we don't really want to remove in this. They sound quite nice. We just wanted to catch those little areas it is catching. And it's definitely getting the S's right. Perfect. So now when we turn listen off, it should be a nicely de-essed vocal.
I should have seen it coming. I should have read the sign.
Let's just try it without.
I should have seen it coming.
And with.
I should have seen it coming. I should have read the sign.
Beautiful. Now it's going a little bit hard. It's taking like 6 dB down, but it actually sounds good. So it's doing the job for us. Really easy, just using that listen module just to track in. De-essers, they're widely available. Pretty much every DAW is going to have one. It's just really nice to have it within the suite here, so you can actually just have it in the chain that you want, do it all within the one plugin. So that's just a quick look at the de-esser in Nectar 3. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was helpful for you, and I will see you on the next one.